book for the new year. I want you to read it. It's called My Paradise Lifestyle. Now, everybody's asking, what is this? What does that mean? Okay, it's really simple. Listen, My Paradise Lifestyle is having a life where you can do whatever you want whenever you want to do it, okay? Meaning, you have a life. We're all born, we're little babies, we have a life. God gave us life. But you have to create your own lifestyle. So my lifestyle I love is called My Paradise Lifestyle, where I live in paradise. Right now I'm in the pool on the roof of our building. We're in the Caribbean, and the beach is right over there, and I love this lifestyle. I get up in the morning and I do whatever I want whenever I do whatever I want whenever I want to do it. Anytime during the day. Now, I've been doing this, I've lived a long life. I'm 51 years old now, but it took me years and years and years to figure this out. But once I said, I want this specific lifestyle, I want to have no shirt on, I want to live every day, all day, and go to work for myself. I don't want a boss. I don't want to sit in traffic. I don't want to do what 99% of the people in the world do, which is work for somebody else and live a miserable life. I stopped that, and once I said, I want to live in paradise. I want beaches, ocean, palm trees. I want to be able to go swimming every day. I want to be able to go out and do whatever I want to do whenever I want to do it. That was my focus. So every single minute of hour of day, every single day, 365 days a year, that's what I focus on. Does that make sense? So when you have a goal, you make a plan, and then you concentrate and focus on it every single minute of every day, and you will have whatever you want. Understand? Does that make sense? That's what you need. Stop focusing on making money. It's not about the money. I have a beautiful little girl in my life who says, I don't care about the money. She wants a happy, peaceful, loving life. So I said, okay, let's focus on living the life we want. So now we create our lifestyle so we can have an amazing life. Okay, does that make sense? You have to plan it. You have to say, I want this in my life, so I'm going to create a lifestyle so I can do whatever I want to do whenever I want to do it, so I have a magnificent life. Make sense? That's what I can teach you how to do in this book. It's not about the money. Stop watching all these people out there on social media with the Lamborghinis and the Ferraris and the big mansions, right? And showing all the cash, which, by the way, most of that is fake money. It's counterfeit. It's all bullshit, guys. Forget about that. You're wasting your time. Stop watching hundreds of hours of YouTube videos trying to figure out how to make money online. Stop. You're wasting your time. Focus on creating a lifestyle plan. Write down your plan. Where do you want to be? What type of lifestyle do you want to live? Do you want to live where it's cold? Do you want to live where it's warm? Do you want to get up in the morning and go exercise for 2 hours? Do you want to be able to have the time to do whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it? You have to make that plan. It's envision it. You have to have a vision board and say, okay, I want this, I want this, I want this, and I will not stop. I will do whatever it takes to get that stuff because that's what I want. That's what I did. And the second I said that, I said, I want this lifestyle. I want beaches. I want the ocean. I love to swim. You can tell I'm in the pool. I want to be with a very loving person that I can give whatever I want to give and make them happy. That will make me happy. That's karma. You give, you get. You give good, you get good. You give bad, you get bad. So believe me, I've gone through mistakes and failures. And every time I got back up, like my favorite actor in the world, Sylvester Stallone in all the Rocky movies, right? Every time you get knocked down, you got to get back up. So I said my lifestyle is all about if something happens, I'm going to make sure I fix it immediately, come up with a solution for every problem so I can live this lifestyle. Everything has to be about living your lifestyle. Once you set your goal and your plan, and you know exactly the lifestyle you want, you will have it. You have to focus on it every day. That's what the book is all about. So below here, right here, or right here, there's a link. Go to the link and get my book. It's free. It's a free ebook. It's a 15, 20-minute, really quick, easy read. Then you will say, wow, James, I get it now. I know the lifestyle I want. And can you help me get that lifestyle? The answer is yes. In 1 hour, in 1 day, 1 hour, one phone call, I can help you put a plan together, create your paradise lifestyle. Then you will be rich. Then you will have whatever you want. Set the lifestyle first that you want, and then everything will come to you. The money will come to you. The love will come to you. The peace, the happiness, the freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want to do it will come to you. Once you know what lifestyle you want. Got it? So click the link here, somewhere here. There's a link, and I'd love to help you read my book, okay? All right, keep watching my videos, subscribe, click the notary, if there's a little bell that says notification, get all my videos. I will train you and show you how to create your own lifestyle. Subscribe below, and the notification bell, and then follow, click like, and then make a comment. Send me a positive comment. Say, James, I love your energy. I love this. I want a great lifestyle. I will teach you how to do it in 1 hour. 1 hour. I will change the way you think, and you will have whatever you want, okay? Keep watching, subscribe, notify bell, like, share this with your family and friends. Send this video on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn. Send it everywhere. Share this with everybody, and watch the positive comments that come back to you, and you will now start believing, wow, this actually works. It does, I'm telling you. Set the lifestyle. Let's set a goal. Let's hit it, and then everything comes to you. Your life will change instantaneously, okay? All right, click the link below. Get the book. Download it. Let's have fun. I'll see you soon.